Hello, I'm Fiona Hogan. I come from New York and Ireland. I've done my undergraduate degree in Dublin at Trinity College and my master's at UMass Amherst within the School for Marine Science program, and I'm now doing my Ph.D. here at UMass Dartmouth within the SMAST program.
Hi, I'm Ayan Chaudhary. I come from India, New Delhi. I came here for my master's program in computer science, and then I moved over to SMAST for my Ph.D. in marine science. I'm currently a research associate at SMAST, and I work mostly on ocean modeling. My interest was basically in climate change, and I liked SMAST specifically because the program here encapsulates not only just the UMass Dartmouth campus, but the degree comes from all 4 campuses. And so what was really good for me was the interaction with faculty from other campuses and to get their resources into this program. And the interaction really helped broaden my perspective about this discipline.
For my PhD project, I wanted to do an age validation study on an elasmobranch species, and I picked a skate species because they're a data-poor complex in the northeast of U.S. And UMass Dartmouth at the SMAS-1 building has a wet lab facility which would allow me to maintain my fish for a period of 1 year, which is what I need to validate their age. And that was a huge draw for me in terms of facilities, because obviously you can't do an age validation study when you don't actually have any tanks to keep fish in. And I've benefited from my main advisor within the SMAST program, or SMAST department, and also professors on the main campus. I've worked a lot with Ken Oliveira because he's done a lot of age validation work on eels. So I was able to draw from his knowledge in setting up this project and in maintaining it as I've been going through.
You know, it's also interesting that there's so much interaction between the industry and SMAST.
Yes.
So that, you know, it's so interactive that, you know, fishermen, when they go out,
Right.
they're willing enough to take researchers from SMAST.
And that's a good point. We contracted with commercial vessels for her research project. So you're helping the fishing community and they're helping you because they have the experience and the knowledge of where to actually find the fish. The way she set it up was she knew the area that she wanted to sample, and I think she randomly generated sites within each sub-area. But the fishermen knew what spot was a viable one to fish in because they knew any hang-ups, or they weren't going to wreck their nets. And you can't necessarily buy that experience.